Brute Baretto. It's come to this. It's come down to this. Heroes and villains. It's come down to this. Brute Baretto. It's come down to a dog collar match. You versus me. And let me tell you something, Brute Baretto. I'm not just gonna hit you once. I'm not gonna hit you twice. I'm gonna hit you so many times. You're not gonna be able to think straight. You're not gonna be able to stand up straight. You're not gonna know where you are. Brute Baretto! This is the end all between us. Your allotment of dumb luck has run out. Brute Baretto. I've been saying it month in, month out. I'm fueled by the hatred. I am fueled by the fire that you are lacking. You've got the strength. You've got everything. But you don't have what it takes to beat me. Will you let it fuel you? Huh? Will you? Because I will. It will. Brute Baretto! Let it fuel you.